Compact SUVs have quickly become America's favorite type of vehicle, and for good reason. These vehicles strike a balance between full-size SUVs and traditional trucks, offering a sweet spot that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Not only are compact SUVs typically more fuel-efficient, but they also offer a more user-friendly driving experience compared to their bulkier counterparts. If you've done even a bit of homework on this topic, you already know that the small SUV market is incredibly competitive, with numerous manufacturers trying to outdo each other with standout features. So today I'm excited to walk you through a virtual showroom of some of the most impressive compact SUVs currently available. Hello, car lovers! Welcome back to Globally Cars. In this video, I've compiled a list of some of the top-rated compact SUVs on the market right now. Before we dive in, please keep in mind that this is not an exhaustive list of every compact SUV available. Instead, I've chosen a select few models that stand out thanks to their exceptional blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. If you feel another SUV deserves to be mentioned, feel free to let me know in the comments section. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And while you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Those small actions go a long way in supporting this channel. Now, without further ado, let's jump into today's lineup of standout small SUVs. The Hyundai Tucson, a well-loved SUV in Hyundai's lineup, recently received a comprehensive redesign, giving it a sleeker, more contemporary appearance. Alongside its refreshed look, the Tucson also boasts improved interior features and advanced technology. The latest updates for the 2023 model year have further broadened its appeal, introducing more trim options, including the rugged new XRT model designed for adventure enthusiasts. While there are a few minor downsides, the Tucson stands out in its class, particularly when it comes to comfort. It skillfully bridges the gap between a standard SUV and a premium vehicle, offering a ride quality that handles road imperfections with remarkable smoothness, something few rivals achieve. Inside, the experience is equally impressive. The well-cushioned seats provide excellent side support, and the power-adjustable lumbar support adds to the overall comfort. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, thanks to effective sound insulation that minimizes wind noise, making it easy to enjoy conversations or music at any speed. The interior layout is thoughtfully designed for all body types, making it easy to find a comfortable driving position. Visibility is another strong point, with slim window pillars and large windows offering clear sight lines, especially helpful during lane changes on crowded highways. Passenger space is generous, with features like reclining rear seats offering added versatility. Storage is also a high point, with the Tucson providing a spacious 38.7 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats, expanding to 74 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded down. However, one area where the Tucson falls short is performance. Its acceleration is slower than many rivals, taking 10.2 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in testing. Though it's not the quickest SUV, this performance level is still acceptable for everyday driving. Kia is reshaping the perception of what it means to be a value-driven brand, and the Sportage compact SUV is a shining example of this shift. It reflects Kia's dedication to delivering high-quality craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and state-of-the-art technology, all while keeping pricing remarkably accessible. With impressive performance attributes, an expanded cargo area, innovative tech offerings, and solid off-road capabilities, the 2023 Sportage sets a new benchmark among compact SUVs. In comparison to other popular models such as the Honda CR-V, the Sportage confidently stands out in a crowded field where choosing the right vehicle can often feel like a daunting task. Despite the competition, the fully redesigned Sportage rises to the occasion. It provides 39.6 cubic feet of storage space behind the rear seats, and that number jumps to 74 cubic feet when you fold the seats flat, making it a practical option for transporting gear, luggage, or everyday items. Depending on the trim you opt for, you'll also find premium comfort features like ventilated and heated front seats, which enhance the overall in-cabin experience during both warm and cold weather. Under the hood, there's a single engine option for the standard Sportage, unless you choose the hybrid variant. Though it's not the fastest in terms of acceleration, taking 9.5 seconds to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour on the highway, it remains competitive within its class. Even so, future models are expected to come equipped with upgraded engine components as a standard offering. Fortunately, despite its modest acceleration numbers, the Sportage handles passing maneuvers confidently and efficiently thanks to a smart transmission system that intuitively shifts into the optimal gear for the situation. Comfort in the cabin is outstanding, with the seats offering superior cushioning and support, ensuring a pleasant experience for drivers and passengers alike. And of course, Kia's exceptional warranty coverage remains a major advantage, offering extensive protection for nearly every part of the vehicle, providing peace of mind that's hard to match in today's market. The Mazda CX-5 is a compact crossover SUV crafted to deliver a uniquely engaging driving and riding experience, far surpassing the expectations of basic utility. It's designed to inspire joy behind the wheel, especially when equipped with the available turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. When fueled with premium gasoline, this engine now delivers an additional 6 horsepower, offering plenty of strength to enhance overall performance. Its taut suspension system ensures the vehicle remains composed, even over uneven road surfaces, while highway cruising remains peaceful thanks to excellent cabin insulation that keeps noise to a minimum. Passenger comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The front seats are ergonomically contoured to support long-distance driving, while the rear seats feature a reclining backrest, enhancing comfort for those in the second row. Conversations between front and rear passengers are effortless, as the cabin's quietness eliminates the need to raise your voice. When it comes to handling, the CX-5 outshines many of its competitors, delivering tight, confident cornering, quick steering response, and overall precision on winding roads. It provides a sense of control and agility rarely found in vehicles of its class. In addition, everyday drives are made more enjoyable thanks to an array of convenience features, including a vivid 10.25-inch infotainment screen, user-friendly navigation, and voice recognition that responds to natural speech patterns, making it easy to operate while driving. Despite a somewhat compact rear area, Mazda has done an excellent job maximizing utility. Passengers benefit from generous seating comfort and can take advantage of various storage spaces strategically located throughout the interior. In the rear cargo area, 2 full-size suitcases fit easily without obstructing rear visibility, making it practical for trips or daily use. Adding to its appeal, the CX-5 showcases outstanding craftsmanship. From the premium trim pieces to the well-designed buttons and controls, the interior feels upscale and refined, free from any cheap or subpar materials. For those seeking luxury without the luxury price tag, the top-tier trims of the CX-5 offer exceptional value when compared to similar offerings from rival brands targeting the same market segment. The Subaru Forester is one of the pioneers of the compact crossover SUV category, having first launched in the late 1990s. It has continued to be Subaru's flagship model and has built a strong reputation over the years. Much of its long-standing success is due to 2 standout features: its standard all-wheel drive system and generous ground clearance, qualities that appeal especially to drivers in colder climates or those who frequently tackle light off-road conditions. For the 2023 model year, there aren't any major updates, apart from some minor tweaks to safety software and a new forward-facing camera that now offers a broader field of view. That said, the Wilderness trim does receive a noticeable upgrade in the form of a larger standard infotainment touchscreen, giving it a more modern feel inside the cabin. While the Forester isn't known for its engine performance, taking about 9 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour based on Edmunds' testing, it makes up for it in other key areas. The vehicle shines in terms of stability and road control, offering agile steering, confident suspension tuning, and reliable braking performance, traits not often found in compact SUVs. The Wilderness Edition, with its enhanced suspension system, increased ride height, and all-terrain tires, delivers even more capability, making it well-suited for dirt roads and moderately rough trails. On regular roads, the Forester also delivers a refined driving experience. Its cabin remains quiet at highway speeds, creating a calm environment for both city commuting and countryside adventures. The driver's seat offers a commanding view of the road, boosting confidence and awareness, while thoughtful touches like conveniently placed climate controls and intuitive settings add to the ease of operation. Most trims include heated seats as standard, and the automatic climate control system works efficiently to maintain a comfortable temperature in all weather conditions. Whether you're heading into the mountains or just commuting across town, the Forester is built for comfort. Passengers will appreciate the soft cushioning and strong lumbar support, which ensure long trips remain pleasant. The suspension is also tuned to soak up road imperfections with ease, helping the Forester maintain its reputation as a versatile and dependable travel companion. Since its debut in 1997, the Honda CR-V has consistently ranked as a top performer in the compact crossover SUV category. It has earned praise for its roomy interior, strong performance, and wallet-friendly fuel economy. The 2023 model takes things even further with a complete redesign from the ground up, presenting a sleeker and more refined version that's longer than previous generations. This added length translates into expanded cabin space, offering increased legroom in the rear and more cargo capacity, all while retaining the CR-V's practicality and ease of use. One major highlight for this generation is that you no longer need to compromise between performance and efficiency. Both the standard and hybrid models deliver equal capabilities. There's ample storage with 39.3 cubic feet of space behind the back seats, and a generous 76.5 cubic feet when the seats are folded down. Handling feels more dynamic than ever, with improved agility when maneuvering through curves and a sharper throttle response. In performance tests, the Sport Touring Hybrid version achieved a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 8 seconds, showcasing its peppy acceleration. Braking is another area where the CR-V shines, offering quick and confident stops. Its suspension is expertly tuned to absorb road imperfections with grace. Bumps are noticeable but quickly smoothed out, maintaining ride comfort throughout your journey. Inside, you'll find a premium feel, thanks to well-crafted leather seats that are both heated and comfortable. Cabin noise is minimal, with impressive insulation that keeps outside sounds at bay. However, if you're driving a hybrid version, you may want to avoid steep inclines when possible. The engine tends to rev loudly under stress, which can become distracting. Still, this is a minor drawback in an otherwise well-rounded vehicle. From its refined, modern design to its impressive road manners, the 2023 Honda CR-V continues to raise the bar in its class, delivering a balanced mix of sophistication, utility, and performance. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others. It really supports the channel. Until next time, drive safe and take care.